Hello everybody, I'm Nathan. It's What's in the Shop Wednesday. Normally I'm not here. I came in on a special day so I could see Terrell's beautiful face. Right now, Terrell and Kevin are working on this Nissan, getting it all tinted up for a customer. They're doing a great job, I'm sure. Kevin hard at work in the back seat. Normally he's dressed in red, but apparently he has since changed since December, so happy to see that. We'll walk over here, check out what's going on. I believe Caleb's doing a fusion coating on this Hyundai, making it look good. Looks like he should be getting a coating on that soon. This Mercedes, I'm sure you guys have probably seen in the background of a couple of the last videos. We cleaned this up a few weeks ago for a customer, just waiting for him to pick it up. So you want to pick it up. It's ready for you, still clean as ever. Behind us, there's a Porsche Cayman GT4S that got a full 10 mil ultimate wrap. It is currently washed up, gonna get a fusion coating on it, so it should be ready to go home towards the end of the week. This Shelby, it was on the previous episode of What's in the Shop as well. It's here for an annual inspection. I remember when it came in, it was pretty scratched up and stuff. Looks like the owner's taking very good care of it. Doesn't look like the paint's gone too torn up, so that's what we like to see. If we come up front here, we got a BMW X5 up on the lift. This is getting another full wrap in XPEL Ultimate 10 mil film. Looks like Aaron, and Max are up here cutting more film. Max, you killing it today? Didn't get that far yet. You're gonna kill it. I have no faith.
I feel it today.
Do you have any more gray 4Runners come in?
No.
No? Lunar Rock. If anyone in the comments section would like to Google image Lunar Rock Toyota paint color, let us know if it's gray or green. I'm colorblind, so I think it's gray, but you know, whatever. We'll see what people say. We'll step outside here in a minute, tell you what all's sitting outside that needs to get looked at too.
Here we go.
We've made halftime adjustments so we could film outside, just like the Steelers do. So if we walk along here, we have this Yukon Denali. It was also in previous view because it was here last year for a coating. It just got cleaned up for its annual inspection. Also looked like it's doing extremely well. This Tahoe, it's dropped off. It's gonna be getting some window tint on the front windows to match the factory tint. So that way it'll look super duper nice. This Escalade has got a lot done with us. Started off gloss, got a full XPEL Stealth wrap, had the grill swapped out. Customer decided they wanted a black grill. Jimmy, our vinyl guy, he wrapped pretty much everything that he could black for them. Then we also tinted the front windows on it to give it a nice factory match. This Blazer, it's also here for a full wrap. This BMW is kind of the cooler project of the week. This was a gloss blue, a very pretty blue, and the customer did want a full wrap. Whenever he came to drop it off, he knew about Stealth. He wanted our opinion on it. We said this color is going to look great with Stealth. It's going to really show the body lines and everything off. So the Stealth wrap is done. They left the piano black, so that way he had some nice contrast. This is also going to be getting a fusion coating, so it should be going in hopefully later today to get that done. Dale, if you're watching, I know when you dropped off Saturday, you said you'd be checking it out. The car's coming along great, looks great, and I think you're going to be very happy with it. This Rebel, it was in to get PPF and also a polish, so it's done. The Ram next to it is just some loser's truck. We don't really have to worry about that guy. He's a terrible host, so we'll just keep walking past that guy. Up front, we have a couple cool cars. We'll see what you guys think of them. I think they're cool. You guys can say in the comments which out of the three you guys would want to have in your garage. With how weather is in PA, I think two of them may not do the best in the winter, but hey, you put snow tires and sandbags in the back of anything can go in the snow, I think. So the first car is this white Urus. It was also in previous videos. We replaced some film on it, and then we also wrapped a bunch of the pieces in a carbon fiber vinyl. What it's back for is some of the pieces got damaged. We'll let some cars go past here, but some pieces got damaged with it. It's just back to get a couple pieces replaced. And then if we peek around the side of that, we have not one, but two C8s in for full wraps. One is going gloss. This one is going Stealth, I believe. They both have been tinted by us. This one, he wanted privacy and darkness, so we did a 5% XR film on that. The one next to it is actually tinted as well. It went with our XR Plus 70. He wanted to get heat rejection and UV protectant, but he didn't want to lose any of his visibility out of the car. So that's why he went with 70. But both of these cars are going to be fully wrapped and protected for the road ahead. So that's what we have going on in Latrobe. We'll send it to Isaiah up in Gibsonia, and he'll let you know what's going on up there.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to Gibsonia, and it is Wednesday. Let's see what's going on. First off, we have this. It is a police interceptor. They couldn't get the color that they wanted, so they dropped it off here with us, and we are going to be applying some black vinyl to the areas that they had asked so they can get closer to what they are looking for, just image-wise. It's next up on the list, but we do have other things that we've been working on this week. Here we have a newer 4Runner brought to us by our friends over at Rudolph Auto Sales, and we are putting on some tint. We did the front visor, and then we also tinted the sunroof there, all to block glare, just improve the privacy as well. Here we have an awesome black edition ridgeline. Came in for quite a few things. Some paint protection film to protect it against rock chips just on the mini hood there, just right on that front. We tinted it in our XR line, which is gonna block out heat, block out those UV rays, and then we are finishing up with a ceramic coating here. Just a few more things for us to touch up, and it'll be ready to go here very shortly. Current tint appointment that we have here is a 2010 Audi Q5. Customer needed the sunroof done, 2 panels. He decided to go with our XR Plus line, which is gonna block the most heat possible at a 98%, and we also threw on a visor while it was here for him as well. Just about ready to get pulled out and on to the next one. Got Ian here working hard, just doing a final wash for this beautiful Maybach Mercedes. Came in for a track package, which is going to take care of the full hood, fenders, front bumper, as well as the side view mirrors and the rocker side skirt areas. We also did the A-pillar roof kit for him, so pretty much any kind of forward-facing area is going to be protected. And we even tinted the front driver and passenger windows in our XR line to keep things nice and consistent with the rest of the vehicle. Now, you might think something's up. Latrobe had a gray Cadillac that they're doing a full stealth wrap to, and you know what? We got our own too. It is a beautiful 23 Escalade V sport model, awesome sounding exhaust. We are doing a full stealth wrap conversion to it. Things are coming along. All of these stealth pieces are applied, and we are just working on the gloss black pieces to keep those nice and protected too. After this is finished up, we will finish up with a ceramic coating and tinting the entire vehicle as well. All right, well, I appreciate you guys joining me here at Gibsonia. Patrick, I think you're up next. What do you have for us?
What's up, everybody? We are here at Blackout, Miami. Here is good old Josh. He's down for a nice visit. Let's see what we have going on this week here at the shop. Starting outside, we just have this brand new 2023 Porsche 911 Targa GTS. Just got dropped off for a full XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film wrap. And we're also doing XR 35% all the way around the car and 70% on the windshield. Then it's getting a full XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating over the entire car. We're going to take the wheels off and do the face barrel, back and spokes, and the calipers with those as well. All right, and over here, this is a 2015 Range Rover Sport. This one belongs to Car Renters Club. If you guys are in the area and want to rent a Range Rover, definitely rent it through them. This one just came in. We did XR plus 55% on the windshield. Then we're going to be tinting the taillights as well. Then I'll be back in for a paint correction eventually. All right, so let's go back in the shop and see what we have. Take a look at our newly acquired door here. It's not done yet. We still have to paint it. But let's go back here and see what we have going on. All right, so starting off back here, they're doing the final touch-ups on the Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG. This one got a full XPEL Stealth paint protection film wrap. It got the XPEL XR Plus 20% the whole way around with 70 on the windshield. And then it's just about to be getting the Fusion Plus ceramic coating, and we'll be taking the wheels off of that vehicle as well. All right, then coming over here, this is why Josh and Jimmy are down here. They are doing a full color change wrap on this 2015 Mercedes-Benz AMG GTS. I believe it's doing like a matte Pacific blue with like a white starlight. So they got the whole car torn apart, so just waiting for the film to arrive so they can install the film.
All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out what's going on here in the shop. If you like this content, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment.
I know it's a little quarter where you guys at, but me and my boy are about to go hit the slip inside, so stay classy.